Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. We draw a curve. We draw a straight line. We draw a curve. We draw ice cream handle. Now it's time to coloring. We color it very carefully. Green color. Yellow color. Ice cream is a frozen treat. It is made from milk, cream, and sugar. It comes in many delicious flavors. Some popular flavors are vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Children love the creamy texture. It can be served in a cone or a cup. You can add toppings like sprinkles and chocolate sauce. Red color. Ice cream is a perfect dessert for hot weather. It's a fun treat to share with friends. Some people enjoy making their own ice cream at home. Ice cream can be a part of a sundae with whipped cream and cherries. There are also frozen yogurt and dairy-free ice cream options. Golden color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.